it was like glitched or something.
Yeah. So guys, if you haven't seen part 1 of episode 2, go check it out now before it's too late, before Google cancels my account. I hope that doesn't happen. So what did you do?
I had to kill myself because the cobblestone in my inventory was glitched, so I couldn't do anything with it like at all.
I'm just gonna start mining until I hit like another cave or something.
Oh, that might be good combo.
Yeah, I might want some potions to play until the deep dark the unknown.
Okay, so, I want to make the story various. I have to look else. So I'm thinking, well, how many people, how good are you at building?
Trash.
Okay, me too.
You know, my cousin will be good for this, but he's not allowed to do a YouTube channel, and I'm not gonna say his name or anything.
Yeah, I understand that.
Because his mom is a little too worryful.
Yeah, that's fine. That's a hard part. But that's how I used to do it, huh? That's how it's on YouTube pretty much at all. You watch the video about yourself. No, I have no YouTube.
Yeah. But my mom used to not let me play or even watch YouTube, but now.
Yeah, I remember those things.
But now I can watch YouTube. I watch YouTube shorts almost every day, and I'm a YouTuber. Hey, Lapis! I found Lapis. I hope I run into a trial chamber.
Oh no, you can find them with like parts marker for villager or something.
What?
Yeah, there's like a map or something. I don't know much about it. I haven't looked much into the yet.
Yeah. I might need some torches.
I forgot that today was the day that it dropped. At least as of recording. I'll probably upload this like in the next few days.
Yeah, I don't even know when I'm gonna upload this.
Are you uploading the other videos now?
Huh?
Are you uploading the other videos now?
I have no idea when I'm gonna upload my version of the series. Since my tablet has a few problems with YouTube, I may not be. I don't even know if I can upload on my tablet. I may just have to transfer the files to another phone, which would like another device that has my YouTube account on it. We've been 5 days into this series already. I can't wait till we hit at least 100 and have a really nice base. And I guess we could end this season 1 when 100 days are out.
I don't know.
Wow, you did pretty good. How about we just make it a non-season thing and just make it to a series and like just. Should we keep the running alive? Like at least kill the mother. Well, they can't spit on you. Oh wait, I'm not gonna risk hitting him without my shield. I'm such an idiot.
Hold on, leave one. I'll make it without my shield. Oh, there is only one. Okay.
Dang it! I was gonna do that.
You can 3-shot it with critical hits with the stone.
Can I at least kill the wandering trader?
At night, yeah. Because I want that invis potion.
Why do we need it?
Because it'll be useful. We can get potions before we go to the nether. Which should be pretty soon. Because, I can do the speedrunners portal. I know how to do that. And I know how to do it without messing up, too.
And since we have a lava generator over here, we have no problem getting duplicates of lava buckets. This is pretty much good. So, are we just gonna harvest it right? Could I, harvest it, right now?
Is the cauldron full?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me grab it. Let me just craft the bucket. Let me grab the... Dang it, this controller's sensitivity sucks. Other than that, it's pretty good. Anyways, let me grab 1, 2, 3. Okay. Boop. Bop. Boop.
That looks nice, I think.
Ah, darn it, this controller. You continue working on the very nice entrance. Maybe we should make a outpost somewhere so we can shoot mobs from a distance. All I need is a bow and arrow. There we go. Full lava bucket. Full bucket of lava. Boop boppity boop. What do I do with the lava? Are we able to make an infinite lava source?
No. You can do... I mean, that's the closest thing we can get.
Yeah, let me just drop it to you.
Yeah, okay. I know it because I'll put it in there.
Oh, dang it. Dang it, I got it again. On accident.
Okay.
Give me a sec.
Okay. I got it.
I'm gonna go out and explore a little bit.
Okay. We'll be working.
Okay. You work.
I think this looks pretty nice so far.
Yeah.
Especially for someone who doesn't know how to build at all.
You know, I've been trying to contact PyPyMan 1 on the server. Apparently, he hasn't responded in a few. I found some melons. Let me go harvest them. Grab these. Grab some of these. Hold on, it's turning night soon. I may have to collect these melons later. Good, I'll collect the rest of them later.
What trick do you? Bucket of shot. Oh, he's drinking the potion, dang it. Dang it. I didn't know he was drinking the potion.
Yeah, and I'm a little crept up here. I don't exactly remember the chords to home.
Oh, no.
Oh, dang it.
No.
I got a creeper behind me. I think that's a creeper.
I suddenly angered an Enderman.
That's not good. Oh, dang! It's a creeper. That was certainly a creeper. There's no way. There's no way.
What?
Oh, I found one. Let's go.
What did you find?
Guess.
Village?
Nope.
What did you find?
Something that's ruined.
A ruined portal?
Yep.
Oh.
But I'm a little bit surrounded by creepers. There you go. Isn't it? Ooh, golden pickaxe. I'm gonna take all this. Obsidian. This will definitely help us. Flint steel.
Yeah, but when do we have to use less lava? How much obsidian is there?
Only 2. There's some flint here. There's 4 flint. There's a fire charge. There's some iron nuggets. Let me just take a posting. What the heck? This guy apparently can't attack me. So this is a good attack point.
I gotta remember Melody over there.
Let me just remember the coordinates. And also
Do you remember what direction you went in?
no, but I'm definitely gonna take a picture of the coordinates. Give me a sec. Let me just grab my camera. Please don't attack me, Enderman. I'm only doing research purposes. Okay, I got the picture. Now, we could fix up this portal.
What? How was I not able to go under?
What? What happened?
I wasn't able to go under the thing. How? Oh, you stole my shield. Since when can zombies use shields?
What? What the heck? What's going on?
Wait, what was that? Was that 2.5 hearts?
I don't know and I don't care, but I'm getting flushed out by a zombie.
What? Skeletons can do this too?
What? No. Please don't. Please don't. No. I'm about to die. I left the game. I was about to die. I'll send you the coordinates. If you could maybe save me, please, before I get back on.
Okay.
I'll send you them by, pictures.
This one can skeletons use shields?
I don't know. I don't care.
I did get an iron shovel though.
Just tell me when it's daytime, okay? Guys, that's gonna end part 2 of episode 2. Go check out part 3. So yeah, that's the end of